What's up, y'all? NappyFu all up on your screen looking like she's been at home all day because I haven't been doing a damn thing. And it feels good. But I am about to do something. Today's another Nappy Fu-lery video, and I want to get these eyebrows together. Doing it by myself has not been the best for me, but I keep on trying. Today I want to try the razor blade method, and I hope I don't mess it up. Alright, so if y'all want to see me try, keep on watching. NappyFu checking in. Let go. So let me get this out the way real quick because I want to get some of y'all in the beginning, okay? If you find yourself watching at least 30 to a minute of this video, I think we can go ahead and say you should subscribe. That's all I'm saying. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be a part of NappyFu crew and you get notified next time I'm all up on your screen. Okay, stop playing. Subscribe. Thank you. What tools would I be using for these brows today? I will be using a razor blade, of course, and I'm using a handheld razor blade too. I will be using my handy dandy tweezers and eyebrow scissors, as well as a spoolie to get them brows brushed, and I'll be using clear eyebrow gel, okay? And here we go. Let me get my eyebrows brushed in shape. I'm using the clear gel. I'm going to do this first just to kind of get it in shape. I'm going to let it dry up, of course, because I can't razor blade if my hair is wet, right? So here we go. We are using this blade, y'all, and I'm nervous. You can't tell on camera because all you see is my eye. But my heart is bumping. It's pumping, okay? But let's go. Okay, the several thousand videos I saw before I tried to attempt this on my own kept on saying to use a light hand. So I'm using a light hand to shave down the hairs that are on top. My camera's not really picking it up, but it is bringing down quite a bit of hair. And I'm winking because of what? I haven't even started yet. I'm using handheld one to try to get my corners. It's kind of hard to do with the razor blade. And I've seen others do it. I'm just not there yet. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the top of my hair and you brush it up. And you know, one thing I realized, I probably should have did that 3-point measuring when you kind of draw lines from your outside of your eyebrow, the middle of your eyebrow, and the edge of your eyebrow. Because maybe I would have saw better how to do a shape, because I'm struggling to catch a shape here, y'all. It's just kind of there, okay? So I'm going to use tweezers to get the little hairs that are there. My camera's not picking it up, but it's quite a bit. So I'm going to go back with the shaper, because again, I'm trying to get that like that sharp, you know, them sharp corners, but it's just not coming through for your girl. I don't know, y'all. But we'll see, because I feel like it's a little cleaner. So let's see. Here's the before and the after. Now, did anything happen? I mean, do you see something? Maybe right here in that little top corner, my after does look a little bit cleaner. Like if you squint a little bit, it looks cleaner. I'm just saying. Let's get to the other eye. All right, so now moving over to the other eyebrow. This is really hard to do, y'all. And I don't know how those girls who I watch do this can do it so perfectly. I guess, you know, like they say, practice does make perfect. But I really regret not drawing those lines that kind of, you know, shape out what your brows should look like. It probably would have been a lot easier, because I'm struggling to see a shape. I'm struggling to see where will my arch begin. Where is the arch actually? Like, are you there for me? Did you leave me and forsake me? Like, where you at? And like the beginning of my eyebrows, I don't even know what's happening there. I think I spent too much time on the end of it. At the beginning, just said, you know what, we're going on break. We're going on break. You clearly don't need to, you're not messing with this. So I'm going to trim the top of this eyebrow real quick. I'm going to trim it, try to get, you know, that little them sharp cleanness up there. But then I made a mistake and I decided to go ahead and trim more on that top eyebrow, y'all. And that right there, I shouldn't have done. This is when this eyebrow officially became the bad eyebrow, because I ended up trimming some more. And when I took that extra trim, too much hair, what had happened was now I have a dip. You see that dip? Lord be a fence around my dip. I'm just saying. Clearly, Tootsie Rolls must have been on my mind, because I'm like, when you dip, I dip, we dip. That dip is so... I have the wavy eyebrow now. Like, I don't know if this camera's picking it up well. I have the wavy eyebrow trend happening, and I didn't even do it on purpose. I'm just saying, like, it wasn't planned. It just happened like that. Clearly, I haven't learned my lesson. I'm still that Remy. Look at me. Fu-lery. Chai. Anyway, y'all, so before and after, what's the difference? I don't know. Like, I don't know, y'all. Like, I feel like I did something. In my spirit, I feel like I put hard work in. But I think I put more work to make it look worse. But I tried. Okay, I think, let me not be too hard on myself. I think that this brow right here, I'll call it the bronze brow, okay? Like, it got some type of metal. But this brow over here, no. That brow right there is a struggle brow. It didn't even make it past the finish line. If it tripped, fell, and gave up. I'm just saying. My main issue on the struggle brow is the front. I think like it's still all over the place. Like everything before the arch is still confused. On this brow, the bronze brow, it's the front also. I think I took it too far back. Practice does make perfect, so I will try this again. I need to let my eyebrows grow out a lot more first. But when I'm ready to try it again, maybe I'll record it. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see the struggle again until we get it right, okay? So this is definitely not how it is when you go get yourself professionally done. But, you know, I feel like the more I do it at home, the better I would get. What confuses me is the shaping. I know you're supposed to follow your natural shape, but when it's like really bushy and everywhere, it's like, I can't even see my shape. Areas in which I feel I made a mistake. Maybe the top, you know, because I feel like that line is still not straight. Let me know how you think I did with my eyebrows, you feel me? I mean, I feel like I might have went, ooh, right there, you know? I be wanting that. You know how you go when you get it professionally done, they give you that sharp, Mine is more like this is definitely fun for me. It's not as bushy as it was before, and this is the whole point of Nappy Fu-lery. I'm gonna keep on fooling around with things that I don't know how to do well until I know how to do it very well, very good. Okay, eyebrows is something I'm still struggling with to get it down perfectly. And when I mean eyebrows, I'm talking about the grooming aspect. Now, when it comes to makeup and eyebrows, oh, that's a whole nother story, y'all, okay? So that brings me to today's Snapchat question. Have you ever tried to groom your own eyebrows? Was it a yes or was it a mess? Let us know your experience in the comment box below. If you used to struggle with doing your own eyebrows, but now you think you got the hang of it, please give us some tips in the comment box below. Remember, your comment can definitely help another sister or brother out, okay? I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button. And make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that. All of that. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me today and seeing me do my brows all up on your screen. And I hope you join me on the next video. Until then, remember to have a healthy life, do healthy things. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, if I told you you were beautiful, if I told you you were beautiful, if I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were